Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Life's Calculations. I am here with one more news from CBSE regarding the board exams. 2 days back only I brought up for you one news from ICSE and CBSE. Both boards were thinking to reduce the syllabus by 50% and shift the dates of the exams by 45 to 60 days. Now regarding CBSE, it has been almost confirmed now that it is going to reduce 50% of the syllabus. At the same time, it is going to conduct the exams in the month of May. Why? Let us see the news. The Delhi government has urged the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, to not conduct the board exams next year before May and further reduce syllabus as schools still continue to remain closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In a letter to the CBSE, the Directorate of Education said due to the COVID-19 pandemic, a major chunk of time of 2020-21 academic session could not be utilized for classroom teaching learning process as schools in Delhi are closed till October 31. Right? Though online, semi-online teaching learning activities are being conducted through live classes as well as the worksheets or activity sheets, but it cannot replace the physical classroom teaching learning process, the DOE said in the letter. Okay, the news further goes as in order to provide students with a reasonable time to study in person in schools, it is requested that the ongoing academic session be extended beyond March and CBSE board exams be conducted not before May 21. Consequently, the next academic session may commence from July 21. It is a very big news. It added. The department has requested to further reduce the syllabus for the current session, keeping the COVID-19 pandemic condition and the leftover time available in the session for classroom teaching. The CBSE had reduced 30% of the syllabus in all subjects in anticipation of the opening of schools in July, but schools in Delhi are closed till October 31. It is also requested that sample question papers aligned with the further reduced syllabus for the session 2021 may be prepared as per the latest question paper design and made available for the students at the earliest. Students, I want to add here that CBSE has already released sample question papers, okay, with only 30% of the reduction, but now as more reduction is going to be there, so CBSE now need to release a new set of sample question papers based upon the further reduced syllabus. Okay, the news says practical and project work are an integral part of any subject that include assessment of desired skills and competencies. It is pertinent to give students hands-on practice for the same for a sufficient period of time. It is requested that the board may provide detailed guidelines regarding the conduct of these practical exams under such conditions or any other alternate mode to replace the practical part of the subject, it added. Universities and schools across the country were ordered shut on March 16. Now the news is going in the flashback. Universities and schools across the country were ordered shut on March 16 to contain the spread of novel coronavirus. On March 25, the center announced a nationwide lockdown, while several restrictions have been eased gradually in different phases of the unlock since June 18. Educational institutions continue to remain closed. So, students, this is the news from CBSE. Now the Delhi government has urged CBSE, okay, that to shift the exam dates and also reduce the syllabus. So for CBSE, it is now sure, everything is sure. Syllabus to be reduced further means already 30% has been reduced, now more 20% you can expect, okay, and total overall 50% syllabus will go now, and we expect the news from ICSE 2 to come now soon, okay. So let us wait for that. As soon as the news from ICSE comes, I will be there for you to bring that latest news. Thank you very much for watching.